you earn less than 500k monthly, I'm making this video for you. People think you need a huge income to start building wealth. Well, your income matters, but the truth is this: it's not just about how much you make, it's about how you spend, save, and invest. Look at this now. Two people could be on the same job, earning the same amount with similar responsibility, and before the end of the month, one person could be the one going about looking for loan before the next salary comes in, whereas the other person seems to be doing just fine. Even with excess to invest, you are going to be the second person. In this video, I'm breaking it all down for you. If you earn less than 500k, I'm going to show you step by step, breaking down your income using the 50, 30, 20% budgeting rule to show you how you can effectively manage your money and how you can use the 20% to build solid wealth. By the end of this video, you see how powerful small consistent steps can be when it comes to building the future you desire. We are going to be illustrating using a 200,000 monthly salary. Whether you earn more or less, not to worry, because wealth principle can be applied whatever your salary is. I am financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered accountant, a chartered stockbroker, a licensed dealer in the Nigerian stock market, but most importantly, your money cheerleader. Listen, if you are interested in things like investment, building wealth, passive income, you are at the right place. That is what we do on this community. Hit that subscribe button right away. I would love to be your money cheerleader too. Before we come back to the board and show you a breakdown on how you can build wealth from your salary, let me show you something. Let me show you a magic, the ginger you need to start your financial journey today. If you can put away at least 40,000 naira monthly after watching this video, let me show you what's about to happen. So I'm going to show you a compounding calculator on how 40k invested monthly can turn you to a multi-millionaire, if not a billionaire, by the time you retire. So let's assume that you are able to invest 40,000 naira at an interest rate of, right now some fintech platforms can pay as high as 20%, but let's assume 15%, and it's being compounded yearly, right? For your retirement, let's say you're going to retire in the next 40, okay, let's use 40 years for your retirement. Deposit amount, how much are you putting away every month? It's 40,000. Now watch the magic. Let's calculate. Let us calculate. Oh my God. OMG. Wait. Can you see something? You've been able to save or invest 19.2 million. But at the end of the day, by the time you are retiring, you have 923,387,860. Ah, God. If this does not ginger you, if this does not motivate you to start your investment journey, what are you waiting for? From just investing 40k every month, you are able to do this, almost a billionaire. And remember, for all of these years, for these 40 years, you're not going to, over time, your income will be growing. You will be able to invest in more. But we're just even assuming we leave it steady at 40k. You are going to become almost a billionaire by the time you retire. Listen now, the interest you earn more than 904 million as interest. Someone that only invested 19.2. What are you waiting for? Don't worry, I'm going to show you how this is going to happen for you. Now let's see how you can become a pro at managing your small salary. Please, if you have not, could you hit that like button to like this video? Thank you so much. Okay, so now if you earn 200,000, we are going to apply the 50, 30, 20 budgeting rule. 50, 30, 20. This is one of the simplest budgeting method there is. What does this mean? It means that on your 200k salary, right, 50% of your money, which is 100k, this is money that go into your needs, essentials, right? So when we say need, we are looking at your feeding. Yeah, let's say feeding, you have your rent savings, right? And maybe transport and all that. So every month, once that your 200k drops, right, you're going to take 100k. Now do your normal, okay, well, how much is my rent? Maybe your rent is like 500k monthly. Let me put away, out of this 100k, I can put away 50k as my rent, and then the remaining 50k is going to go into my feeding or something for the month. It depends. Our unique, our circumstances are unique. How you want to break it down might be different from how I might break it down. Some of us are foodie. You might want to take more than half of that money into feeding. It's up to you, right? So that is where 100K is going. Now, 30% of this money, which is what? 60,000 naira. 60,000 is going into your wants. Wants, not so very important, but nice to have. Let's say now your Valentine gift. If you did not give your partner anything for Val, it's not yet. Let's go and buy Valentine gift for them. So Valentine gift, hanging out, your spa treatment, your your spa, your, let's say, movies, gifts, yeah. Gift fall here, gift. So these are the things you do with your 60,000 naira. Now let's get into the exciting parts. The part that is going to be the reason you become a multi-millionaire, if not a billionaire by your retirement. The part that is going to ensure that your financial future and that of your family is secured. That is the remaining 20%, the small but mighty in this calculation. Let me show you. So now the remaining 20% of this money is what that is 40,000 naira. You saw what 40K did for us before. Now, in fact, I need to, okay, let me still leave this in case you want to take a screenshot. Do that before we wipe the whole board. Now, this 40K is what is going into your investments, right? You invest, maybe save, or if you don't have emergency fund, this is where your 40K comes in. Now let's dive in on what we can do with this 40K. Let's assume that, okay, this 40K, we want to invest it every month. We are able to invest it every month. What do you do with it? There are two methods I'm going to show you on how you can start your investing journey using 40K. So take a screenshot if you want to. I want to wipe the board now. Let's dive into what happens to your 40K. So there are two things you could do with your 40,000. Number one, you could decide that, Jennifer, I don't really want to stress myself. You can take this your 40K into a HISA. So what do I mean by HISA? This means high interest savings account. Number one, you could find out from your bank if they have a special interest account that pay you better money on your savings. Not that one you go and put in the bank, they will not be paying you 0%, 1%, 2%. No. This one, there are some banks that have special accounts, or preferably use a fintech platform, right? So for HISA, there is the likes of Piggyvest, right? Is one of the accounts you could use. There is Optimus. Optimus is also nice. I think Bamboo also have fixed income investment, etc. There are so many of them you could use explore to put your savings. Now, what are we doing with this thing now? Now, what you are doing is that every month you are taking your 40,000, you are moving it to any of these platforms. You do it for the 12 months in the year. My dear, by the end of the year, you have successfully invested 480,000 naira. Do you get do you see how exciting that is? You earn only 200,000, and I know before now 200,000, it's even hard for some people to live on that in this economy. But mind you, less than 20% of Nigerians earn more than 200,000. So if you are among the selected few that earn 200,000, you are actually a very big person. But we still know it is not enough in this economy. But you've seen the way we've arranged ourselves. We've arranged our finances that by the end of the year, you successfully invested 480,000. That's a lot of money for someone on a 200K salary. And that is not all. Because when you invest this money in any of these platforms, remember they're going to pay you interest. Let's assume you lock it on one like an Optimus that you can earn as high as 20%. My dear, that is every month. Each time you lock your money, you are assured of 8,000 naira in interest. Multiply that by oh my God, listen. It's just that for us, it's lack of information that is doing some people. Now you know these things. Can you see how you can build wealth on just 40K each month? That is one part of the equation. Now, what if you want to take things to the next step? You are willing and ready to jump into the actual investment. You want to go beyond interest savings account. Let's go. We are going to invest this money in the stock market. So let's assume you want to start investing in stock. You know, when you invest in stock, that is you investing your money in all of these big companies, the MTN, the Facebook, even this YouTube. When you invest in Google, you are investing in YouTube, and it's one of my favorite investments, right? With 40K, you can do that. So what I'm going to do with this money, I can split this money into two. Let's say 30,000 naira and then 10,000 naira. what will I do with this? I'm pushing 40k into stocks. Like maybe I can decide to do 10k. I can do like a Google, right? I can put 10k in Google, put 10k in Tesla, and then maybe put 10k in VTI. This one is an ETF, right? So ETF is like you investing in a pool of different stock. VTI now is an ETF that tracks all the stock in the US market, over 3,000 of them. This is your 10k, you are getting a tiny stake in all the companies under VTI. And last year, VTI did more than 20% growth. More than 20% from this VTI. Tesla last year did, I think, close to 100% or more. The same with Google. Google also did well over time. From 30k, you are investing in all of this. And then for this one, if maybe you want to invest in a Nigerian stock, right? For Nigerian stock, any amount, you can decide to like, okay, just put it in one stock, maybe an MTN, or you can say maybe any of the banks like Zenith Bank shares. This way you are invested home and abroad, right? And this has the potential to grow your money beyond your imagination. When you invest in the stock market, you are doing the same thing the richest men in the world do, because many of them make their money from the stock market. How do you do this? In this community, I already have detailed video walking you through how you can invest in the stock market, be it Nigerian stock or foreign stock. So make sure to check the videos out. But in fact, one thing I'm going to recommend for you, if you can, I highly recommend join our upcoming Wealth Builders Academy. It's a 3-week online program where I work with you for 3 weeks. I'm going to hold your hand, give you a list of correct stocks you can invest in, not just stock, treasury bill, commercial paper, bonds, investing for your children, building your personal income statement, customizing a budget that works for you. So many things, a robust curriculum. You should join that Wealth Builders Academy. I'm going to leave the link on the description. So a few more tips to ensure that you maintain this momentum. Number one, automate these things. Automate your savings, automate your investment. See, you say that every month you're going to push out 40k. You may forget. This is where some of these platforms you are able to, like, I think, set it in a way that on a particular date you can automatically move your money from your income or salary account to your investment account. And again, join communities. If you're a woman looking to do the most with your money, I think you should join FinTribe. FinTribe is a community, a women-only community where we save and invest together. Last year, these women did over 2 billion naira, and it's free to join, totally free membership. The link will also be in the description. Because what this does for you is that you see other people on the same journey as you, making the same money moves as you. Okay, that's number two. Automate your savings. Join communities that will push you. Try to track your spending. There are apps like Sprout, expense tracking app, that can help you track your savings. Whenever you spend money on something, look at it, document it. If possible, at the end of the day, at the end of the month, download your statement, see where your money is going. It's going to help you make better decisions. 4, please avoid debt traps like buy now, pay later, taking unnecessary loan. Avoid keeping up with lazy babes for women. You don't have to do what every other person is doing. Mind your business. Be on your lane. You might feel like I'm earning the same money with this person. You don't know that they have other sources of income. They have people showing them love, right? Or maybe you could be earning the same thing, but they don't have the responsibility you have. You're taking care of your family and you're trying to compete with them. Why? These people don't matter. So avoid all of this unnecessary competition and trying to keep up with others. And again, keep learning about finance. Amazing. I'm going to congratulate you on this. Well done, because you're watching this video, you are already doing that. Turn on post notification on this channel. Listen to other coaches. Like, keep your mind always learning about your money, and that's how you build wealth. So building wealth, it doesn't happen overnight, especially if you're on a smaller income. It's a result of small, consistent steps over time. And you don't need to wait to win a raffle or a big break before you can start. You can start now. If on your small income, the best time to take your money serious, my dear, it is today. So if you want me to do a breakdown on a different amount, maybe a higher or a smaller amount, let me know in the comments. And remember, like I mentioned before, things like investing in the stock market, these are videos we have on this channel already. I'm going to link them on the description. Let me see you on those other videos.